Networking isn't that hard, like in our heads, we kind of have this fear about reaching out to people for help. We feel like, yeah, we only reach out when we need help. It's a one-way transaction. And what's wrong with that? That's the thing. Like, there's no reason you can't call somebody you used to work with and tell them that you're looking for a job or asking them for some help or advice. There's no reason that you can't call one of your references, ask them to be a reference, but at the same time, ask them like, where should I be pitching my salary? What kind of levels are you paying for these sorts of roles? Do you know anyone who might be hiring roles I could talk to? Could you refer me to someone? It's okay if you can't, but I'm planting the seed, right? You can say that. There's no reason why you can't ask family members. Like if you have one of those large families, I can guarantee you someone will know someone who runs a business, who is an accountant, who knows about 20 different people, who is a lawyer, who knows about 40 different people, who works for a tax planning firm, who knows about 50 different people. These networks are so valuable to you, and they can actually lead to interesting opportunities. And I'm not just talking about job opportunities, but learning opportunities. Things that actually give you self-validation, which is so important during a job search process where everybody is constantly rejecting you. Have a conversation with someone. Can you introduce me to this person? Would you mind helping me out with this? Because if you don't, you're going to miss out on so many things, so many opportunities. LinkedIn, Seek, other job boards, that is like half of what exists. If your strategy for a job search is relying on that, you're doing yourself a disservice. Networking is not like one of those wanky things where you like turn up to some conference room in a shit hotel, you put a name tag on and you just, oh, hey, how you doing? And you get stuck talking to the one person who can't help you for 40 fucking minutes and then everyone else who's valuable leaves. It's not that, right? It's just having conversations. It's just it's being interested in people. That's what it is. Yeah. Be interested in what they're doing, how their kids are going, what they're up to in life, where they've been, what they're doing, who they've met, normal conversations, and then tack on, anything I can do to help you, anything you can do to help me. That's it. That's what networking is. And let's be honest, put yourself in the shoes of someone who's been asked for help. If somebody you knew said to you, hey, look, I don't have a job, I've just been made redundant. Do you know anyone I can talk to? Or could we just catch up for a coffee for 20 minutes? I just need a chat. Chances are, because you're a human being with a conscience, you'll probably go, yeah, sure, no worries. Or I can't this week, but let's do it next week. Or let's do it on the weekend. Or let's catch up when we go around Auntie fucking Susan's and we'll have a chat then. Do you know what I mean? You are not going to be an arsehole to them. So when you are slightly concerned or a bit wary of reaching out to people for networking opportunities, just remember they're all humans and they all want to help you. So don't miss out on simple opportunities to uncover jobs, to learn things, to get advice, to feel human again, because they are all super necessary as you go through this job search.